All right, everybody, welcome back to today's midweek market breakdown. It is August the 10th, 2016. Let's go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and start with the euro dollar and the daily. Nothing much here. We did see that price came back to this level right here. It did close, price did close below it and tested it. And now price is coming back up to this structure level right here. Let's go to the 240. We have this possible cipher pattern. Let's double check our ratios. And there you go. And looks something like this. About 56 pips of risk. So we have that. Let's go to risk 60. All right. Now in our 60-minute, we do have a potential. Well, actually, not a potential, but we have a bear bat pattern that is at completion. And that looks something like this. And let's just change that to a different color. And there you go. Let's go ahead and go to dollar CAD. Dollar CAD, we're still making higher lows, if you notice, but we are not making any more higher highs. So if price do go above this level of structure, we could see a possible breakout. Let's go on to 40. What I have here. All right. This is a possible bullish Gartley formation. All right. Let's see. This is most likely going to be a, since this is a bigger pattern, this could be a bit of a risk, or a bigger risk than what we, about 115 pips of risk for that pattern. So if that's something that you can tolerate, that's about right here. And there you go. And we are still about 144 pips to completion. So that is still going to take some time. Let's take these out. See if we have anything on the 60. Nothing much there. Let's go to dollar yen. Dollar yen, we did just retest this structure right here. Price is coming back down. We could see another hold in that level. If we do, then we're waiting for price to come up back to this structure level. And if it does go below this level, we could see some sort of a breakout. Okay, nothing much there. And nothing there. Go to pound dollar. We have a price right here in a range. Actually do have a pattern forming there also. That looks like a bat. And looks like this. For all of you who are able to tolerate the risk on daily patterns, you can take advantage of this one. It's still a little bit ways away, about 181 pips to completion. This does take quite a long time as well. So if that's something that you can tolerate, that's something that you can take advantage of. Nothing. 240. Let's go to the 60. Okay. There's a smaller one right here. It does look like it's more it's better seen on the 15-minute, but I did see it right here. Possible cipher pattern. And we have that completion. The 786. And it looks something like this. All right. And that's about about 67 pips of a risk. Go to the Aussie dollar. Still waiting on that daily completion at the 127 for that cipher. I'm sorry, the Gartley pattern that we did identify. Like I said, daily patterns usually take a long time to complete. And the 240, we had identified this one, not yesterday, last week. We had that deep Gartley pattern that we took a look at, and the completion at the 127. This is now an invalid pattern because it did close above this. However, we haven't been stopped out yet. So those people who did take advantage of this pattern right here should still be in the trade. It did go against you about 39 pips, but still has not hit the stop. And to remind you of how that looks like, oops, looks like this. All right, going to 60. Nothing there. Let's go to New Zealand. Let's go to 240. I think there's the 60. I think this one was the bat from last week as well, and stop should not have been hit yet. So if you took advantage of this one, stop shouldn't have been hit yet. The trade did go against you for about 23 pips. If you are wanting to take advantage of this now, this is actually an invalid pattern now because it did cross or violate our X level right there. But this is how it looked like. And still waiting for that to targets. All right, we have pound yen. Still in that range of structure. Let's go to the 240. Nothing much there. 60. Much there. We go to Euro yen. Looks about the same price, still in the middle of those two structure levels. All right. I do have this possible bullish bat pattern on the 240. Just because of how the these pairs have been lately, this should be a pretty big pattern. This might have been one that we saw last week as well. About 191 pips of risk in there. Let's go down to 60. And nothing much there on the 60. Potentially, you could have a bat pattern right here, although that's still ways away. And there you have it. That's what we have for this week. So not too much, but not too little. We are coming back out of the summer season, so we should be seeing a lot more things happening. So until next week, I'll see you guys. Good luck, traders.